Hi, today I would like to share why nowadays a lot of people start to drinking active hydrogen water, especially Japanese. I would like to share two tips. Tips number one is the amazing healing power of hydrogen water. With this, it may be transform your life. The molecule of hydrogen water is more enough to penetrate into our cells daily. The utmost thing is hydrogen water can neutralize the ROS, which are notorious for destroying our normal cell or distorting our DNA. So hydrogen water can do to protect our cell. Okay. Besides, we can enjoy the very good minerals that is dissolved in the hydrogen water. Tips number two is that our body system contain approximately about 60 trillion cells. So if we are serious about our health, think about our body, start from the cell level. Okay, our cells are always being replaced by a new cell. Yeah, good hope. There's a new hope. Okay, cells in some area of our body are completely replaced by a new one in several days, while in other areas, it might be several years. Eventually, they all get replaced. Okay, these new cells are made from the water and the food that we consume on the daily basis. That's why based on this, we can say that the quality of the food and the water we consume determine our health. Okay, this is not what I'm saying. This is reference from Dr. Hiromi Shinya book. He is an endoscopy inventor. He's a Japanese, and especially our body, 75% is water. You know, never neglect what we are putting in as a water into our body. Change your water, change your life.